Good afternoon everybody and welcome back to my channel. It is me, Tshidi, Radebe, back on your screens once again. And if you clicked on this video and you're trying to figure out if you should subscribe, it's free, okay? And I just want to give thanks to my old subscribers that have been riding with me since day one. Thank you guys so much. And I mean, like I said in my previous video, congrats to all of us. We have reached 7,000 subscribers and cannot wait to reach 10k. Yay! You guys can tell that my hair is out and about and we don't know what to do with it. It's been like this for about not 2 weeks, about a week now, I think, and I'm still learning to be okay with it. One thing I find that might be a little bit discouraging is that I actually do not know how to moisturize my hair when it's out like this. Therefore, I haven't moisturized my hair since last week Wednesday, so that means I have about 10 days without moisturizing my hair. Yeah, 10 days is a lot. I haven't moisturized because I don't know how to do it. So in today's video, I'm going to be pre-pooing with you guys and detangling because my hair is extremely matted. Like, it's just, you can't do anything. You guys see that? You see that? It's just matted. Not just that, you can see how dirty my hair is. You can actually see it's gray. It's not pitch black. It's not looking moisturized. It's not looking hydrated. It's just, and it's flaking. Like when I do this, there's like flakes that comes down. So it's all the product build up and I just need to wash my hair. It's extremely dirty. So I have mixed up my favorite concoction, which is flaxseed gel and coconut oil, and then I decided to add sweet almond oil. I am moving to organic oils instead of refined oils. I don't know if it's gonna make a difference, but I want to start using quality products on my hair because I feel like right now my hair's health is like top notch. So I want to keep it top notch with quality oils. So without any further ado, let's get right into today's video. So I'm first going to show you guys the state in which my hair is in right now. It's very dry. You guys can see the knots, the single strand knots. You can see the matting that I was talking about. My hair is very dry. Like, I wish you could hear it. It sounds dry. And that's why I'm actually doing this hydrating pre-poo for my hair, because you guys can tell it's looking dull, it's looking sad, there's no life in it, and I think my flaxseed gel is about to save it. Anytime I do a pre-poo, I always ensure that it's with a product or ingredient that provides me a ton of slip. I cannot detangle with a product that's just water to begin with. Also, I know water is designed to hydrate your hair, but when you're pre-pooing, you kind of want to stay away from water. What I've also realized from wearing my hair out is that my ends have become quite rough. So I'm gonna have to figure out how to handle my hair without compromising its health. But this is how my hair looked like immediately after I put on the mixture that I always use. You guys know how much I love it. So I think I'll have to try to figure out a way in which, you know, to take care of my roots, to take care of my ends, my hair strands all together while I enjoy my hair. So I'm gonna figure it out. But this is how my hair looked. Super juicy and hydrated already. Okay y'all, so I'm actually done with my hair. It took me almost 3 hours, if not 3 hours on the dot. However, I think this was a thorough detangling session because I haven't detangled my hair in the longest of time. Since my previous wash day, and I've been wearing out my hair, I've been manipulating my hair. I'm pretty shocked that this is the amount of shedding I got, given the fact that I've been wearing my hair out. I'm actually shocked. I thought it would be more than this because as I was detangling, my hair felt very matted at the roots. Like at the roots, it was very, very like mushed up together like this. I had to like work very hard, not just work very hard, but be very patient because I had to like separate each strand from each other. So it was a mess, but this is how my hair is looking. My forehead is just full of coconut oil. It's full of sweet almond oil. So after 3 hours of detangling, this is what I ended up with. My hair was looking really moisturized, and this is just, I mean, this is how quick this mixture works. So if you guys are looking for a product or a mixture, concoction, whatever you can whip up in the kitchen, this is it, okay? I will also link up a video to show you guys how I did it, because I know I didn't show it because, you know, I'm just assuming you guys have been on this journey with me. I love the results I always get with this. I truly feel this is the one step in my wash day that I cannot skip. I cannot skip a pre-pooing because I enjoy it so much. I love seeing my curls. Alright, you guys, so I will see you guys in my next video. I'm gonna go wash my face because it's just oil everywhere. But this is it. I'm just going to put my hair up in a high puff, and then I'm going to put on a plastic cap. And if I'm going to be styling my hair, I will probably just wear a wrap or a satin bonnet. Not a satin bonnet, I'll wear like a wrap or a duke or whatever it is that you want to call it. And I feel like I've missed seeing my face like this because my hair is always out. My gosh. Okay, so I'll see you guys in my next video, and bye for now.